Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my community garden plot. This is a follow-up. I first started it at the end of April, and now it's about mid-May, so it's about 2 weeks later. It's looking good. Not a lot of weeds. The first herb box still has a thorn, just a few weeds, but it's not too bad. Strawberries are a little dried out. Here's my oregano. The sage definitely did not make it. Gladiolas are popping up, but they're a few little weeds. They're not too bad if I can get a handle on them. And the grapevine is right there to the left without any leaves. But it still looks good. Holding on strong. Now the tomatoes under the cages are still looking healthy. See the gladiola spikes in the back? Those bulbs definitely emerged. Another tomato in the tomato cage. And to the left, you can see the blueberry bush, which is looking pretty healthy, actually. And yet a third tomato under the cage, and the annual flowers in their colorful reds and oranges are looking great. Not dried out, just a few weeds around them. So I am actually really happy with this. Not bad at all. The hydrangea is looking a little dried out. Now, I did plant some corn about a week ago, and it's about 1.5 to 2 inches tall now. It's looking good. I am surprised at how few weeds there are in these beds. I'm going to do a Three Sisters planting, so I will begin to plant the binding beans and some squash to cover the ground.